Today I'll be exploring the Buddha Relic temple right here in Chinatown, Singapore. It's one of the iconic temples, so let's check it out. It's a very beautiful temple and big temple, so lots of tourists here and even locals come here and pray. There's a long queue going up, so I explore the ground level first. This is the place to burn the incense. Offer. You can donate by scanning a QR code. This is the main shrine area. You can make some donation to offer to the monks. Like the devotees are writing their names on the rice now, and they're gonna offer to the monks later. There are also souvenirs sold like the bangles and bracelets. Lots of Buddhas here. There's even a second level. And lots of tourists now. But then you need to wear the shorts for ladies if you're wearing shorts. 100 Buddhas. People displaying and lots of lamps above. There's a well-got deity in front called the Sampala. It's believed that if you pray to him and then you promise, you wanted to do some good deeds by doing much funds, then he may grant your wishes. Then after you have the money, then you can do more good deeds and the merits. There's a Naga dragon here in front. In Chinese we call it a long tou. So you burn your incense there. There's a candle, and obviously it's a Chinatown complex. I like the beautiful red doors. So let's check out the rest at the upper level. During Vesak Day, they'll be very crowded here, and more of the deity statues. The chanting at the top of the dragon design inscription there. The time now is 4 PM on a Saturday afternoon. The temple closes at 5. And there's a bell in front. Right here. This is the garden. Let me show you guys the big prayer wheel. Just right in front. You see it? There are just scriptures Om Mani Padme Hum inside this big giant the prayer, or they call the money wheel. And the 6 river represent the 6 realms of existence: human, the Devas realm, the heavens realm, the ghost realm, the animal realm, the hell realm. So by turning one round, it's like you are reciting one round of the scriptures inside the whole prayer wheel, and then with the merits or the good deeds from this, is hope that the 6 realms beings will be liberated from samsara, which is rebirth, and then they will be liberated soon, and then go to the Pure Land one day and never be reborn again, and hence ending the cycle of reincarnation and suffering. This is the information about the Buddha prayer wheel. So next join, I recommend to turn about 3 times minimum to keep your mind calm and peace. It's okay, don't know any chanting, anyone can join in, devotees, non-devotees, Buddhists, non-Buddhists. It's just an experience that is like special in Singapore because not many temples have the prayer wheels, only the Tibetan Buddhist temple have this. There's another temple that have this prayer wheel, is located at the BT Link near the Lavender MRT, also near the town. I'm at level 3 now because in level 4 is where the Buddha's relic, the 2 relics located, but the security doesn't allow the video, so I came down to level 3. There are some interesting Buddha exhibits. Let's explore. Oh, wow, all these, it could be thousands of years old. The Buddha exhibits, interesting. And the good thing is, good news, there's aircon here, so you won't feel hot. And this is the footprint of the Buddha. Whoever sees it will be lucky. With the story of the Buddha, he saw the 4 sides of old age, sickness, death, and then asceticism. And then the Buddha was tired of the rebirth, and he decided to become a monk to practice the path, and then became a Buddha at the age of 35 and reached enlightenment, and hence ending the samsara round of rebirth. Anyway, it's free admission, so just come and experience and see what's inside. The museum is open until 5 p.m. every day. The sleeping Buddha, one of the highlights here in the museum. So this is a summary of the Buddhas of the World Museum in both English and Chinese. I'm walking the staircase down to level 2 because it's a long time waiting for the lift and time is very precious. So yeah, and by the way, you can see the view outside. Opposite is metro station. Once I open the door to level 2, I see some menu of the food here. Aranya Gallery entrance. These are some of the items when they do build this temple. And there are restrooms at every level so that you guys can enjoy touring without worrying anything. I would say this visit is really was worth it, even though I've been here more than 10 times in the previous years. It's a very nice dragon statue with the Buddhas inside. And in front is the prayer wheel. Practitioners turn the wheel, holding their hands and turn one round clockwise, indicating that they have recited one round mantra inside the prayer wheels. The laughing Buddha. Keys from around the world. Surprisingly, I think some kind of a sword. I think that is to to remove the devil. And over here, some other deities. So more or less done for the gallery at this floor. Architecture is really amazing. So this will be the Dharma Hall. You can see the photos of the past of this temple from different devotees and the monks. And over here the offering of phobos to the Buddha from India. There's a map of the Buddhism coming to Singapore according to Mahayana tradition, Theravada and Tibetan Narayana. So there is Singapore, and then from Tibet, Nepal, Myanmar, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, even in China and Taiwan, they all come to Singapore. This is the Damo Zusi Eminent Sangha Museum. Oh, this is a very magnificent statue of the Dizangwang Pusa. And the monk here is a Bison Zhanglao. On the left side, at the bottom is actually the main entrance, the first level. There are two other monk replica here. Jieguang Zhanglao, right here. Over here with the Miaohua Zhanglao. I'm not sure whether it's a real hair or something. It looks very real on the head. There are more Zhanglao here, the monk Yuanzong. And this will be the Venerable Qing Xing. Oh, there are actually more. I think this is the final gallery. Wow. I think there are scriptures inside. And there's a stupa, which is a holy object in Buddhism. Venerable Fa Zhao. And this area will be the certificates and some medals prize. Oh, I think this is very special. A dragon head with a surrounding the vase. Over here we have the respected Venerable Chao Kun from Wat Ananda Thai Buddhist Temple. He's already 96 years old, born in 1929. Over here with the Sunday Pra Buddha Chan. Another monk here. There was Venerable Gaboda Sri Ganesara. Before exiting here, there are some more photos. From here you can see the Maxwell Hawker Center. I'm going to explore the shop wall. So this way is a side exit. By the way, there's vegetarian cafe restaurant here open from 7 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening in basement 1. So this is the entrance and the name of the restaurant is Ninxing Shangfang. Going down and then turn left. It's 5 p.m. now, but I think it's still open. By the way, I saw some cute chickens perched on top of a small tree just outside the Buddhist Relic temple, and there are 2 chickens feeding here. It's a nice tour. If you guys enjoy the video, can consider subscribe to the video and then give a thumbs up and share the video so that more people can view this video. So that's all for the tour today. It's starting to rain. The time now is 5 p.m. You guys, I will see you guys in the next video, and take care. Bye.